today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a triangle when given the perimeter and the sides in a given ratio. So assuming we have the perimeter and the sides in a ratio 2:3:4. So we have the perimeter to be, let's say, perimeter of 8 centimeters. So we are going to draw a line equal to the perimeter. So we have a perimeter of 8 centimeters here, right? Let's draw a line equals to 8 centimeters length. So here we go. Okay, we don't need it to be so bottom. So you can use the middle point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll draw a line of 8 centimeters. Let's call it AB. This is line AB. The next step is to divide AB in the given ratio by proportional division. So let's divide AB into the required ratio. So we have the ratio of side in 2:3:4. When we add the ratios, that's 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4, that's 9. So we have total of 9. So we're going to divide the line into 9 divisions equal to the proportion. So let's draw a line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this line has already been divided into the required ratio. All you need to do is you join the last division to the other end of your initial line, which is B, and then you begin to draw lines parallel to the joined line. So I'm going to draw lines parallel to them. Here we go. So I have this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we've divided this line into 9 divisions, and then the next step is to partition it according to the ratio of the sides. So we said our sides are in the ratio 2:3:4, right? That means we're going to have 2:1:3 ratio 1:3:4. Now the next step is we center C and radius CA, draw an arc. So with the middle division, this middle section, so we'll draw an arc. So this arc with center D and radius DB, you draw another arc to call the previous one. So this arc is going to be the radius from the edge of the left edge of the middle division to the outside. So let's draw it. Then this outer arc, this other one, open to from the right of the middle division to the outer, then you draw an arc. So when this arc intersect each other, that will be the top of the triangle. So that will be E. So that's E. So let's join them together. So let's C to E and D to E. So D to E we got it here. So then join the base. So this is the required triangle, and you can also verify that the angles, or the lines, are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Thanks for watching.